You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And as always, me have to give thanks because, hey, I'm very grateful for the supporters, for the family members, for the people who just a check on, for the people who just a know what go on and all them something there. I really appreciate you know what I mean? Highly appreciate every single body who comment, share, like, with a phone call, support the whole vibes of the Public Report journey. You know what I mean? This one is called Let's Postpone Christmas. You know what I mean? Because sometimes some things now work the way it's supposed to work and you make plans but they don't happen and rotate. But guess what? This one name Let's Postpone Christmas. Hope you like it. You know, as me always say, I'm a work in progress. So pick up everybody who the day one and the you know what I mean? The ones that are just joining the family, I highly appreciate you and thanks for being a part of my journey, as I said before. So guess what? Watch the video.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Yeah, the wash.
Yeah.
Yeah, wash the lid.
Thank you. Oh.
I just want to get something, man. It's like, we don't in that town and I get so busy and caught up that I have to just buy something because I don't want to feel like me neglect you, you know. I don't know, you know what I mean? So how was the day though?
Is it alright?
You alright?
Mm-hmm.
So how come you watch so late? How happened?
I'm in a mood.
You're mood now?
Mm-hmm.
So you hang me up on it? You lying coming on you hang out and line up hang him yes. You understand? Coming away go to do here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so tired, I have to make a phone call now. Alright?
Thanks.
Alright. You cook now, right?
You have a cook? Yes. Lord Jesus. Can't bother. Babe, thank you for your gift. God, thank you. This was here. Pinky. Well, God. So we are planning for Christmas. Girl, me have whole heap of plans. One long list. Yeah? Girl, more change the curtain. More buy new sheet. More. Yeah. Yeah, yes, girl. Right now, me just get my first early Christmas gift from a man. Girl, all in all, when you come over here, you go see, you go feel like you're foreign. Me not ask Christ. Oh God. You know, so you're a drama girl. Hey, me can't wait for soon, you know. Me just want everybody come on my yard for this at Christmas and me I feel Christmas. Yeah. Why? Murder. I can't bother. Yeah. Right now me I go talk to my man and tell him everything what I want and then he just transfer money in my account and I just gonna make shopping. Me just a shop. Me go send a picture of everything till I reach over here. Alright, friendly later. Yeah. Whoa, Christmas.
Yeah, brother, I just reached here, you know. Yeah, man. I might stop on the way and buy all. I'm gonna buy all my girlfriend one I could give, you know, me and feel special, cause this is season to be jolly. Sha-la-la-la-la. Yeah, man. So here I go now. All my thing will work out. You want to deposit the money? Okay, okay. Come here, tell you, brother, I just couldn't wait in a long line, man, and that I think I have to just rush off. And then we have whole little things that deal, and you say, yeah, you're not hurry, so just make a deal for me. Come on, you want to buy the thing. Yeah, man, that man. Well, no, brother, no girl clown that I take care of woman a situation that make them feel special. You know the vibe guard, man. Why you know easy? That's why you know. You see you. That's why you run up and down so. Yeah, man. Me go check and see if you reach my account and call you back. Yeah. Yeah, me soon call you back. No, it's time. You no reach. Yeah, man. I'm here, man. I'm here. What you say there, man? Party? No, man. I couldn't make them party. You know, I go already. Me have to just. Cause I go a party now and left for my woman and she go here see me go a party. A problem, brother. I tell them I can't do them something and then I don't tell you how Christmas thing go already morning, just organize up everything. But yeah, me just check out ago but me not see it. Eh? Well that show that still them busy down there for show. A whole heap of things are going, a whole heap of things for going in the machine and things. So what you do it for your money? Cause me can't boy I'm grateful to boss just pure, you know, cause we have a hard task for working at them place then, brother. To get the money now is like a gift from God, man. I tell you, in a them a time now. Before Christmas. But I'm gonna see it though. Tomorrow. Yeah, alright, no problem. Wait till tomorrow, man. Just be safe for the party, cause you don't know anything going on. It's not even so boy you do people nothing, they're the wrong place at the wrong time. Yeah, man. Respect, you know. See if me woman are coming here now. Yeah. Me talk to you. Come here up on our phone, man.
Babe.
What? Serious plans, eh? It's a waste, He said today, you know, I try to deposit the money by Monday and give it. But I couldn't do it. If I do it, I want to get to buy you something. So I just died. So I get my version the money for deposit. I told him line, you know. And him said to me, say, but just time someone just deal for me because I come really fast and return, man.
Wait. You give your brethren the money for deposit for you?
Yeah, the simple stuff I was put in a machine, kind of machine line. You just put in a machine and send straight to the account.
What are you trust him?
I mean, I'm a friend for life, man. Long time I know man. Something, man.
Sure.
You mean I'm sure? I want. Stop.
No.
Hey, look, yo, I tell you already about negative vibes. You know, don't put negative things on my thing. What I'm to you? You look so excited.
I'm excited because me get one early gift and me a whole heap of plans for you us cause it's right there so now.
Mm-hmm.
More one mat and more one table right here so one look at table in the center part here so
Why budget? Yeah? You have a budget in you can't. Let's say I want this, I want that. Remember now, you know, January one a long month, you know. So we can't. When I go and establish and done everything in a Christmas. What will happen in January? But back to school. Body go broken up.
Me know but more we us for sparkling.
Yeah, but you have to limit it. You understand? Remember say when say I cook. Not sure.
Mm-hmm.
Some food, no, man.
But me excited to talk to you.
Me not have no problem if you're excited, but me barely excited to get the food too. You understand? So just if I can excited and get me food and then me happy and excited to make it warm then stop working on my belly. The food and come on.
Alright.
I'm sure they worry about that brother then. No, man, you're not good at me that. Where food, mama?
Thank you.
Oh, you're
There. When somebody deposit money in your account, it no come to your same time.
yeah, them some of them right, but here, I not too know about anything the still, you know, because guess what, so when me get my money, from my little 1 and 2 and 3 man, but I go say, I hide my money on the mattress, because I don't trust them something there. And the worst so Christmas I come up and know me girl.
Mm-hmm.
Me no want go here so we have no issues with the money in the bank, you understand? So
Yeah.
me put my money on my mattress, but I go tell nobody so do in America.
Girl, what happened to you? Look how long me and your friend. I really feel like mother do something to you. You make me a talk foolish.
When the man they give me money, I saw me save them up and tuck them under the mattress.
No, but me not laugh.
So,
Me not laugh. It's alright. Leave that for another day. But that's something if you come to my boyfriend account, but you not come yet.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
But as me say, right away that go on, but me not depend them something there, so me not go too know about it. So, me come on, yeah?
Yeah, man, later. Normally, when we send off money, as we send off people to get their money. So, I don't understand. Well, means you have been friend and you trust him, so I can't do nothing about you. But I'm hoping getting money because it's after Christmas, you know. Yeah. Me. Did you call my girlfriend?
What do you mean?
I'll find out if the money comes to your account.
What time now?
After 2.
Me pump and I make it light on. You can't sleep?
No.
I want no.
Man, no say if something comes to your account.
Tomorrow man, you will find out that you can't check no bank lock no. You want to go to bank? Gotta go to bank.
No, but the
Put in your
message
clothes.
not come for your phone.
No message not coming. Put in your clothes and go join the line.
Really?
No, but you can't even at 2 o'clock in the morning ask more money and it's a dream. I mean, I understand what kind of vibes they're playing. Just relax the man and just stop be so impatient. Christmas is alright.
No, I know. Yes, Christmas go alright, but me just want to know so if the money reach.
Reach my home to you, man. Just relax the man. Child. On your bed no man.
I can't sleep.
You can't sleep. Alright, what you need to do? Open your eyes so wide for about 5 minutes and make it burn you. And then you go sleep. But the foot, me can't understand you.
No.
So what me fi do?
Where your phone? Where your phone?
My phone not hey, want you? Play some game or watch look at the social media same thing, you know. TikTok or whatever and go on your bed. Yeah, me still up on there. Oh gosh, you know hard work, babe. You know hard work at the
I
time.
know how hard you
So
work.
me can't wake me up then for backside.
Because more interest you get the money we work hard for.
Well, that's true. But just wait till the man, you know. We have bank up me at 45. But
me a whole heap of things we sort out for Christmas, baby.
yeah, me tell you say we have a budget to deal with. I know me don't know what kind of thing you have planned, but you better unplan some of them.
Me know so we a work on a budget, but me and that.
Just look at you, man. I can't admit to you, can't look at me here wide. You go hurt you and you have to sleep. Jeez, I'm pity much. Alright, what now? What now? What you want from me now?
Did he call him back?
Me call him back and he said no worry myself. Right? You don't know?
But if he said no worry yourself,
What
that means I'm on the reach.
You know, reach, you know, me account, he say, reflect in the bank. Just wait, no man, relax now.
What do you mean no reflect in the bank?
Hey, man. You see, normally, when you do banking like them, you have to just wait. When you come, you come. When you show, you show. I bet, so who you can't nobody ask them about it then?
No, me not call nobody else.
You sure?
Me know how the bank system go be.
So how me you talk to Pinky on the phone?
Pinky and my friend, me go talk to Pinky.
So you say you not talk to nobody? Why am I telling you?
You ask me if me tell nobody about that.
No, ask them about banking business, how you go?
Me know about bank business, babe, so I'm go ask somebody about it.
Alright. If I so, lock your eye now. Do! In the name of the Father. Lock your eye.
No, Jesus, no.
Yes. Do it then, no? You know it.
Babe.
Jesus Christ. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? Make open the back door, make you run around the house. And when you run in the house, run until you're tired. A full day you start getting a shape now Christmas a come. Not true?
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
You have to sleep.
Probably sleep in your eyes, baby, because me don't understand what you're talking about. But you try to say me out of shape?
Yeah, maybe. How would I say that?
Babe.
Jesus Christ, man. It's coming like a curse. Alright, what you want to talk about? Tell me now. Where you go?
Do not hug me.
Alright, come on. Come on. Go sleep. Go backside sleep. Look at your eye. Father God, take out the ducky out of him. Relax the man.
Relax. Babe. Babe.
Alright, no, alright. Alright, you see food on the counter? More you go for food. You can go for food?
Baby, time late too.
You know say time late? And if you ever go there, well, I'm gonna lock up the door and lock you out there. We need me sleep. Work too hard, we can't get sleep. Lucky eye. Say your prayers. Say your prayers.
Our Father who art in heaven,
Say your prayers.
be thy name, thy kingdom come.
Say continue and don't stop.
Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Babe,
And forgive us those that trespass us. Say it, no continue.
against us.
Alright, start again from top. And remember say reverence. So just say it again. But normally if you say it 2 times, you connect. I look my phone. Babe, I got touch you with the maps. I want to interview with somebody I know for the past and stuff. Yeah?
Yeah.
So later on.
You check if money coming by your phone yet?
Why you worry about this so much for?
Listen, me a whole heap of things planned for Christmas and I be able. Some more interest say the money coming in.
Listen to me, make me worry about that now. It's like you make me feel so uncomfortable, like you know, give me no good vibes towards it. Suppose something really happen. You understand me? I say, you just put it in it already before it even happen. Stop them vibes, man, and make it understand say me at work and still me I left my house now if I go get one next work. Just in case something go on. Come have an interview right now. You ever see me just up for touch the road in a midday?
No.
Hmm?
But me just want you not understand.
What you mean?
You not understand me. You better you do it yourself, you know, 'cause if you did do it yourself,
It better me never tell you. And that, me better me never tell you and keep it to myself and wait until you reach and then me tell you. But it's like, you know, because me being so honest, sometimes honesty come like a worst thing to be bad. Eh? We make you feel so, you make me feel so pressured now, thinking say, this a man I go deal with that. Remember say, yes, I live, you know. We rent to me place around there, so. So what?
I know that. But you look into it?
What?
Last night he not come home.
Yeah, because a big man he can do what he want to do.
He got a party.
So you concerned about that? You laugh and go on, oh, you don't got a party last night too? A grudge man?
That me I think about it.
What you think about then?
No, yourself. Go on, you have interview. Mine are late.
You make me feel like I have to bother to go on an interview. That vibes they push for me. Eh? If push come to shove, just postpone Christmas until next year.
Postpone what?
It means say what? Postpone
You're
what?
crazy.
So what if it not work
so
out?
much plans and me invite so much of my family them
You
to
do
come
what?
over for dinner.
You invite who? And you tell me you can't so most people come here now. Most people you plan to come to my yard, miss.
Eh? Whole family.
Jesus Christ, man. What can go so? Whole family come do work on your month for me. Alright, so them a contribute. Me ask you a question, them a contribute, yes or no? So what you plan to do? Make them come broke us? Eh?
I know broke us.
So what then? Are you named Santa Claus? Are you named Saint? I mean named Saint Nicholas, you're Saint Nicholas' wife. And that is it. No man, you cannot do that. They must be even one somebody carry cake, one somebody carry this or something like that. You can't go like say, well and you tell them say they don't have a word and say, not true. Me I go try your interview. Come in and make you mash up my day today. Here? Remember me tell you that.
Yeah, left your phone.
Left my phone?
Yeah. Later, so when me hug this, even though I'm upset, I'm sorry.
But you have to understand, say, if me go left out of the house with this kind of vibes, it makes sense me nobody left. You understand me I say?
I'm sorry for your negative energy so early. I'm sorry.
Alright, but look more, later we talk.
So now give me a hug.
Yeah, come for the hug and stop going like something.
I don't like the hug there.
What kind of what's wrong with you?
Y'all pop off the gate.
Yeah, deal with my girl, everything good.
Where the girl?
I mean, my friend. Sorry about that. Oh, God.
Yeah. And why you just come in midday?
But I tell you, say,
Let go me gate, because you look like you go mash up my machine.
yeah, party all night, last night, I say I don't sleep. Yeah, I don't say I team don't sleep.
So we'll get money from a party one night
What do
last
you mean,
night.
I'm get money? Me a big man and I'm a child, you know. You ask me to get money. You think I thief me thief it? I mine it and not thief me thief
Man,
it.
you mash up my machine for you last
The
time.
machine mash up, man. I just so you know, kind of little bit.
So you have a rent?
Huh?
You have a rent? Like on your party last night.
Yeah, worry about my rent. Are you rent me here?
That not. Hello. You see, from a man rent your ear, me rent your ear too. You
I
understand?
say, if I you rent me
By the
here.
way, me not talk about that. The money when me man ask your fee sent to your account, is send?
Well, that not for your business. That for me and Ashburn business. You don't rent me here, so you don't ask me nothing about me and Ashburn business. You ask me ask about you and none of your girl in business.
You see, disrespecting now go work with me in my place, you know. And that me I tell you.
No,
And you see the door here, let me tell you something. You see the door here, me no want you to walk through you again. Take your next door. Because if at this you go come in here with, me no want have nothing to do with you. Understand? Leg off of my grill.
Are you rent me here?
Leg off of my grill.
Me say if you rent me here.
Hey,
You can't tell me if you don't walk through your you know.
I wonder why.
You can't
You
tell
want
me
to put
that.
back yourself through there again?
You can't
I'm
tell
going
me
to show
that.
you the real side of me.
I am man alone can't tell me that. You can't tell
Alright,
me that.
so you see
you're
when he-
renting here.
Hey, no mash it down.
Hey, you see
Hey,
how
you see
high
the
already
man
don't
come
make me
here?
reach up your side in the sky here.
I know that. Come, you ready? Bring it on. Come now.
Show me now you know
Give a fist in your face, drop it on your back.
You're mixed up in me and your man business. Not sure your man don't come in our business.
Me not
Allow
come
you
in
alone.
Listen, me not coming out.
You're in management?
Yes. Me assistant too.
Oh, well, don't assist me and in business.
No,
But
me have to
assist to no
assist you.
bedroom business and come out and with business.
What you gonna bedroom business for? That know your business.
Allow me alone.
I'm
When you see me,
I'm-
I want that pan fire.
What you mean what that part for you? If I get none of my food today, that yam your supper. Me wash up a pot and plate them and turn them down before you come here too. You hear?
You see you? You're a dirty, I don't call a dirty girl here. But you see, when your man gonna work and you're there and you not do nothing, you're a dirty, But
You see this no, this gone to me neck now. This guy, you know, as a matter of fact, now walk back through my door. Go on in your room. Go on, cause you disgust me.
I saw tell Ashburn say your man in here making put you. Since I don't want to walk this, I will tell him say
Who cares? Go on. Like he go believe you. He go believe you. And none of that now go on. Bright and feisty. I'm
So your face you look like a salvage in your pot.
Oh, you know, say selfish in my
I'm
past.
smelly.
Yeah. Me just see a miss call and a call back. JC, you know how long you not call me? Make sure you say you come at me yard for Christmas, you know. You remember what we did last time? Yeah, we are all heap of fun though. Me I tell you about it. Me enjoy myself. But they feel good. Boy, me can't wait to see you again. Those were the days. Yeah. Me call her back here later.
Can't wait to see you again. Remember last time we do something? You?
What do you mean?
You is no good to my friend. You? You is not a wife type. Up on the
But
sideline, the man for keep him. I don't know what you
do
do, the
through
boy.
me gate?
What?
Where
What?
come through my door for?
So me not pay me full rent. You know, you want to send me round,
Yeah.
so.
Yeah, it door lock.
Door no lock.
Then not there if you walk. No walk through my door. No walk through my door.
Are you Billy? Only thing me know you know for bill are your edges them. So you come out of for me business, here.
I'm tell
Yeah,
her
it's
this.
no good for my friend. Yeah, it's a workless.
What you mean by that?
Eh?
What you mean
Me
by
no
that?
call a girl and a girl in a boy. It's a workless.
I feel like with a box in your face
Me
in
look
a
like
boy.
a man.
Let me tell you
Me look
something.
like a man.
You see, disrespecting other ourselves between me and you, it not gonna work out. What you come here call me all type of name for? You know who want me the
Because you
phone?
cheat and you know if you do it. Look how the man cheat you nice.
Why you feel like I cheat, me I cheat?
So who you there on phone with?
That's not your business.
Don't worry
Me not
yourself,
supposed to
me
tell
have
you my business.
everything.
You're my girlfriend?
No, look at my.
Okay.
Look for me. I'm
Good.
a boy.
I'm
I'm
not
not a
supposed to
girl.
tell you my business. Go on by your business. Where are you?
When you say, madam, I'm going to get a call me, I'm going to call me just to walk out the interview.
How was it?
That they must ask me. Well, basically, they might tell me, say, you know, it's a high possibility to me get a job. But at the end of the day, there's a lot of competition. You know, and in this festive season, them can't guarantee, but if them call me, them, you know, me know, so me get the job. You know, so, me just keep me hopes up. But I feel like I want to talk to this morning, you know, the energy, the bad energy.
Listen, me not depend that. Me not depend that right now. Right now, you need to come home because me need to talk to you because your friend I be a disrespect him, a disrespect me, and me don't like it.
What do you mean disrespect you? What are you talking about?
All the time you say me a cheat pan you and you go throw me. Me not like them something they need to come home, me need to talk to you.
So why would I say that my friend is not a liar like that?
So when you try to say me would a cheat pan you?
I'm not saying that either, but I don't know what would be the cause. That's what I'm saying.
That's why I say you need to come home.
Yeah, but man, we home soon. What's the matter with you? Why you don't understand me just for interview? Me can't just come out the door and just breathe a little bit. Then me walk come home. You make things look weird sometimes.
What you mean by that?
Christmas vibes and all them something. So you know understand. See a difference since Christmas coming. You know? Since they start playing first Christmas carol, you just start. It's like your body get jiggy.
Because me excited for Christmas.
Yes, but me excited too. But me pocket of it excited as well. You understand? You have to connect.
So money come in by your phone?
No, well, I'm not check it yet. When I come home, I check it because I'm on date up on the road.
Alright.
Alright? You done cook?
Yes.
Where you cook? Saltfish?
Yes. Your favorite.
Make sure it's saltfish. No salt like the last time, because I don't understand why you make it saltfish or salt. Me tell you, if you wash it after you cook it. Because when you cook it and boil it, you have to wash it again.
Me know
so
that.
Wash it look like, so when you go on, you chew one more pound of salt tonight or something?
Hello. When I come home, because I'm not this argument right now.
I'm not in an argument. We're talking. Why when you're talking, you feel like it's an argument? Yeah, me soon come later. Alright?
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Like, you want to say in front of it. Almost like you're not trying to say.
Yeah, man, interview. Well, I mean, I feel like I want to bias thing, I want to set up thing, because I don't feel like I get through. And the way the people look for me like say, you know, I don't reach in a long time, I'm not going to go to my house yet. Watch out.
Yo,
What go on there?
my parent, me need to talk to you something.
What me need to talk to you to? Hold on, let's calm down. Alright, so,
Ashbert, me say something important.
we talk to
Tell
you, we talk
somebody
to
say
you.
you put them on mute for a while.
Alright. I want me to.
Ashbert, you love your woman, right?
Yeah, if I say so.
And she love you, right?
When I feel so, I want.
Ashbert, listen this, Ashbert, and listen the audio good. Come me high, but me no fool, you know. They say Tom drunk, but Tom no fool.
What? Can't wait to see those with the date. So when you say, so,
Just now, me not talk about last year. Not the year before that, me I talk about something that happened now. Like, couple of minutes ago.
I'm confused, I know.
Ashbert, me see her right from
Put
the
the
step,
phone.
me see her. When me a come out and she a cuss me and tell me about me not to walk back through the door there.
Mm.
Yes,
Alright, hold on. I understand everything.
Ashbert, put her out.
You feel so?
Yes, put her out. She's no good for you.
Alright. Listen, me say now. The money when you deposit, how you go? You put in a bank or you not put in a bank? Come and me nah see it on my phone.
Man, I bank thief, you know.
If it's a bank,
Yeah,
so you put in it though.
yes.
Where receipt there?
No, I want to go down to them that tell me say, cause you know sometimes when I go down to them I tell her say, you can't get a receipt if you still want to do the transaction. So me press yes, me still want to do the transaction. So me not get no receipt. But me do it for you.
Okay. So basically me have to go down to a bank then or call or just
Yeah,
wait.
call Scotia.
Call them?
Yeah, call them.
But you sure you do it though? I just want to know say you do it.
Yeah,
I don't pressure you, because I'm a bridge, because even the same day, I'm only want some money for start or something sitting I'm in short and you help me out.
You know, so them a thief whole heap of money though.
Eh?
Bank a take whole heap of people money, you know. Come in, I know if a Andrew Wellness or a bank they take Usain Bolt money, you know. So me I wonder if them take for your money when you put it in there.
Jeez, I don't know. But alright.
But
Nah.
boy, me say your woman over here so a cheat.
You feel so much shit? Alright, what
See you hear on the phone.
Me hear man, but me I wonder if
Ashbert, come like you're not good enough.
boy, I don't know if I that, but something not going on. But alright, just because me have so much things on my brain right now, me not get that money there. So alright, so for example,
So hold on, what you tell me? So me can't walk back through the door there.
you can't walk. Oh, that. So she tell you that?
Yes.
So why she don't tell that?
That me don't know.
All they do man, just make sure you heal and just walk through. But that's it. What me I say? Push come to shove, me can't borrow 100,000 from you. Because this a Christmas thing and she a pressure me and I don't really want to say this and that. So
Kind of rough, but me I'll get back to you.
so then the 200,000 you get for your pay for last for
Ashbert, even the man come like you want the whole neighbor to know so me get 200,000. Alright, I'll give you a link. Me learn about. Yeah, give me an interest.
me get interest man, you know I go
How
already.
much say, I'll give
Like 5%. Me give 5%. Because I'm a friend. And if you help me. I'm just not make you pay no rent for next month. You understand me? I say, but you have to help me to save this thing.
and you take your 100,000, borrow your 100,000, I'm not paying no rent for next month.
Yeah.
So you're sure
I
you're
mean, I
not
give
going
back
to draw
your
the
100,000.
money
No,
out of
man,
it?
I get back your 100,000, man. So we think about it. You understand?
I think that sounds like a deal.
So like a deal. Alright.
Like a deal. We have everything sealed.
You have everything. Alright, respect.
Make sure you stay real.
Yeah, man, me go stay real or you for stay real. I mean, Ashbert, you know.
Alright.
You understand me? I say, me genuine. You understand? Me not down. I mean, it's a down to earth youth.
So
All
over
right.
here, go back.
Yeah, but I want to finish the phone call. I in there, go on, man. Go
Yeah,
on.
man, yeah, go over there.
Go on. If I don't look more, me
Alright.
later I'm gonna check if you money, you know.
Yeah.
Me I come check it today, you know.
Yeah, man.
All right. Yeah.
Next year, check me. Yeah, today.
Yeah, man, today. Somebody phone busy now. Yeah, man. So me I say about the interview. I don't know if we can organize one different one somewhere else because I have to get some workers. You know, it's why things just now go my way at Christmas. Yeah. I'm gonna want to disappoint me, woman. That's the next biggest thing because she excited and she glad it's to this whole Christmas vibes and season. Yeah, man, just call me for nothing. Yeah. Yeah, man, just remember say Ashbert, I always did it for you, so you can do it for me just for one time. Yeah, respect. Me a come, man.
I want to hear you haul up alcohol. Me a whole heap of things to tell you. Whole heap of things me have to tell you. You can't believe, you see a so-called tenant we having in your house, yeah? When just barging and walk anywhere when you feel like you want to walk and stuff.
I think we talk to you.
That can't wait till later, but me I talk to you now. He coming drunk midday today, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I lick down my grill and something. Me I talk to him, he might disrespect me. And I call me names and I say me a no good woman.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Today now, me dey on the phone with Jason. I talk to Jason, your cousin, you know who. Me can show you a time and everything when me I talk to Jason today. The man come down and I talk about say me a cheat pa you. And you fi dash me out of your house and something.
So Jason, you talk to you, Joe?
Yes, see, let me show you on my phone. See the Jason me did I talk to. Jason.
So we're next person with unknown number.
Which unknown number? Me not know unknown number.
The
in
number
my
on a
phone.
save.
Which number not saving on my phone?
You see the next one is beside Jason, you have one.
I'm my auntie new number.
Oh. I think you're a dirty friend Pinky, because sometimes I don't know why you have her as friend.
Don't talk about my friend, me I talk about your dirty foot tenant where disrespect me and so. And me
Alright.
don't want him walk through my gate. And that me I tell you, me don't want him come through this door. I make him walk our next part.
So make you get some work up.
Because me don't like him and he might disrespect me in my own place and he not even a parent good.
You wanna pay.
And by the way, you sure him pay him put the money in the bank? Because me feel like say I'm a grown thing.
All me I say to you is that you worry too much. And sometimes when you fret down things and put negative vibe on him, say already, you gonna make it mash up. I mean, I like the fact say every time me I tell you say just cool and calm. This a man he go pay the rent and if push come to shove he gonna lend me some money. So you can't be so hard on him.
When go lend the money for? You not get paid. You
Yeah,
not even
but-
getting money yet. So
Yeah.
when go lend the money
So
for?
if you lend me the money, I must get it back and can pay him and still have my money. That me
Or
I say.
you go have pay money when time you not get your money none at all.
Yeah, but listen, all the plans and what you claim say you have and all them something there. At that time, my problem you know, can feel like me want to drop down a while ago. I have to go in a bathroom and stop me head with the alcohol. Yeah, worry about this Christmas thing. Right now, I tell you already, you know, better we put off certain vibes and then we make it for next year.
Put off what?
Oh, yeah, can we never
Me
plan?
not put off
But we
nothing.
never plan for this thing for this year as how you make big plans. November coming and everything change. Eh? You cannot do that. Listen to me, I'll haul up because cola, sinus and mucus, everything I run down my head. Eh? You don't have no pressure upon you, and me will have pressure upon right now. Me go an interview and basically me not get through. Because you can't go an interview and the man tell you say, you don't call me call you. What kind of style that? Eh? When you hear them say, then you know say you don't get through. So me I talk to the bridge out that gate a while ago. And him a
Who
tell me
that?
say, eh?
Oh.
Jungles man, Jungles me I talk to him, I say if you get one next interview for me. And he said, boy, you know what I want. And then you know I come to me at be expense. You want this, you want like your ambulance. One. Me I say just relax the man. The honest man, I'm a tenant, why him go bail we out now. And him you have a problem with.
Oh, how
Eh?
he go bail you out? No, tell me no. How
Because
he
him go lend me money.
when more lend the money for?
From out of pocket, out of him business, out of what I have, out of what I work. So he go lend me money.
So want him to fee your money?
For my money, obviously, I have problem with the bank. I say
No
to call
money,
the bank.
no problem with no bank.
So what problem there then?
The problem is in your money.
No, you know, it's not
And
like
the
that.
problem is in have your money and in use it to film business.
Puppy Dan
Puppy Dan.
It's not like that.
Puppy Dan is not like
You
that.
understand? Alright, you see the reason I ask him and trust him to? Me there the supermarket I buy like a bun and cheese, you know. I want eggnog. And me there I buy bun and cheese and eggnog and my money short. The man just say, yo, no worry yourself, man. Just let me start and put it on my bill.
So,
Just like that.
Just like that. Anybody
friend
would-
like
any
that-
random person would do that.
No, not in this time. You have to find people like that on my time, yeah.
But people will do it.
Yeah, people
But
we
any
but
friend
who?
listen. Any friend at all you work with, we do that. Any friend, all if they not
I
rate
want,
you.
but listen to me. You know, you don't get life,
No,
man.
you no get life.
Alright,
You no
hear
get
me.
life. You trust your tenant. That's why I'm thief you.
Oh, Jesus.
Because me not understand from last night, and then you hear my party.
Think what? Me
Think.
no think, me beard.
Think.
Me no think, me beard. All me I said to you, say right now, me hungry. You say yourself is ready? Jesus, girl, what can call this? So you're on phone all day, and that the vibes you give me?
Yeah. As being as me can't say nothing in your house and you agree with it. That the vibes them in the pantry now. Until me see everything go my way.
Won't give me food. Go and go fix my food.
Me not fix no.
Go and go fix my food. Me work too hard. I'm too genuine for you deal with me stuff. A
So
man
go
said
tell
to
her-
me, say, he see out on phone and talk to man. And he show me the voice note. He show me the video. And me no come in and trust you. And I say, you deal with me? And somebody trust come like a dirt? Give me the food if
What
you
you
give me
say
food.
when time
Give me the food if you give me the food. When me
What you
when me
say
say,
one
me say
time?
me go find out what me want. Me say me want to talk to you. About that. But me nobody want to talk to you because you say your cousin Jason. Not going to bother. What is that all your phone? It's the people like you. You only think about one way, what you want. You know, me tell you, I'm hungry, me dey interview and me come back now, you can't even say, boy, you even put one biscuit and crackers together. Eh? I see you deal with me? Everything good, man.
Hey, I show me respect and love and make me cook before you even reach her. God say have somebody like me in your house.
You feel glad say you have somebody like me who are maintain the house. Hurry up.
Why pray?
There, we say enjoy party last night.
Yeah man, the nice man.
That me a talk about. But you know somebody go back tonight again.
What you mean man, one life we have to live in and we have to enjoy it.
And watch you know, me not drink no low cost rum, you know. My thing them have to be a top shelf. You see if I know any or Remy.
Exactly, I know it's so nice. You know everybody have been nowadays man. Really man.
Which one? The unstoppable one, cartel one.
Hive man and the cartel one them. They know what they nice.
Yo, you know say I don't know I'm gonna down my account later. But we can do it. We can do it. 'Cause you know, one of my girls, you know.
Right?
But more carry friend Simone too. More carry Simone.
Alright, so me I'll link someone and then you know.
But I told them have to come home with me too, you know.
Yeah man, not wrong with that.
'Cause you know my money tall, you know, small, you know.
That me a talk about me like it man.
Alright, my girl. See you later.
See you too.
Alright. Party me say. Oh that.
I mean, bro.
Oh god.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, leave it now.
Yeah, come I come link here and show me in there talk to woman and things. She say her cousin, you know, our family member she talk to, you know.
You believe that?
You must believe him.
And
Never.
I talk to him cause so sweet.
Yeah.
And I talk about in love with them, they do it time and they want to do it again. So fee man in cousin make good soup.
Brother, I'm tell you this. Me no feel say why I don't know what be alright now about I don't know. Come on what. So you feel say that I going for sure?
Brother, me say me see it out of me too eye. And me not tell a lie.
Why I don't know, cause me see her as that kind of person still.
Well, me see her as that type of person, but differently. Wait a second, right now I sleep. I want to get some sleep and I come here the road say, bun up later, me and some girl.
Nice man, nice, good advice. I the money more come borrow from you. I must
Okay.
say me 100,000.
Oh, you know what, so I not even remember because I'm a virgin called me back a while ago and said, I come buy a bike from him. Yeah, because I did buy a bike for Christmas, and it's either a bike or a car, you know, so I want my virgin, me the time say, anyone me get first, me get a bike or a car. So my virgin just call me and say, I can look on the bike today. So, me don't remember say I get something for the Christmas. So just a while ago, he even remind me, so I don't even think that the money they can bother work out.
But how you might depend upon. But you mash up, well, I not say mash up business because I'm not sure where I go on. But you me give me money for deposit on my bank account and then you no do it now and then you tell me say.
Me no do it? That's just a man.
What me I say is that me not get the money yet. And I one day now basically.
See no go down a Scotia.
So me have to go down so boy man tell you.
You have to go down there and check out it, man.
Go down and check out it?
Yeah. Wonder if I write account number you give me for put in.
Nah man. I must me give me card. My card.
Sorry.
My card.
In my room.
In your room. Alright, just see if I can go fix it. But me I tell you, say my card I get so I don't know wrong account business. You get me card.
You know, sometimes we misunderstood some things, you know, so me all wonder if. But me do it for you, man. Me do it for you.
What do you mean misunderstood something? I understand. So you mean like you said to me, say something go wrong that day. Tell me, you know.
Remember you give me the card and you give me
the pin.
Yeah, and you give me a paper with write the pin down and the account number. So me I wonder if you're missing a letter upon the account number. And remember if you put the letter there.
No man.
Come remember you give me a paper.
Hold on. Hello? What am I there?
You're asleep. I sleep and I know you.
Give me 1 minute, cause me I start with something right now as I speak, yeah? So give me 1 minute. 1 minute, I call you back. Alright? Yeah. And people are shout me now.
Yeah, so me I say I sleep, me want to go to sleep for a party look more. So
you say alright, even 50,000 now then?
Not even 10. I tell you right now.
Alright. So you feel so we can get an early rent then?
Early rent. Boy, the party kind of rough, you know, cause me I tell you say, you done gone to one part already.
Alright, we can let's see work on something tomorrow. Yeah? Respect our man. So what you say?
Remember to look out your eye.
Yeah man, I look out of my eye man.
Alright, sir. Yo, Ashford. General, just call me tomorrow, man. No, look at that. Just check your bank. Check your bank, Ashford, and check me. You feel like me a grown, you know? Ashford, just listen me, I tell you, man. Me I tell you, say, half of some like a misunderstood thing going down there. Cause me I tell you, say, me do it right for you. Me not grown, you. You're going like with a general, man. I'm a style you. Alright, yeah, man. Yeah. So, man, I just torment you.
Frustrated now, because based upon the fact say Christmas soon forward and you know woman I was stress me out by certain things, you know, and me I talk to the damn boy give money for deliver and you know give me problem. Call him not too long, him a talk about say him tired and call him tomorrow and listen there. Yeah, so me just have to go lay it down low from, yeah. You have got to tell us if you cancel Christmas. I can't work out. But your fees are 100,000 can't lend me until them time now. Brother, I never tell you short amazing. Never tell you short amazing, let me not tell you. No, I know, but you can't say no like you shout down the place. So, alright, so Jungles, you're with her then, yeah? Yeah, man. Alright. Well, it's not about look stress, no, me stress. Because really and truly, I feel like I make a big mistake because Scotiabank tell me say them not see no money coming to the machine, and he must say him deposit it, but he must say he never get no receipt. Something got bank and they say proceed even though them not getting a receipt, and I'm something else. So I call run the place Jungles and Jungles are saying no money. So we just have to postpone Christmas.
You're crazy? I can't believe so you said this to me right now. I can't
what
believe
to do then? What to do? What we go? Yeah, we can't get money. We can check your family and see if they can lend us some money there.
Me don't want to do that.
We mean say you don't want to
Because
do
me
that.
don't tell me.
But me not have it, what to do? Eh?
You're stressing me out right now.
Me a stress you up?
Yes, you're stressing me out right now because me invite all of my family them.
And
Me
you...
make plans, me have list of things that I want to do in the house for Christmas. And you tell me now if you come postpone Christmas?
Yes, Mama, you have to do it. You better you take a shame now than take a shame then when they come and they have nothing for you. You understand? When they come in the gate and say, hello, and you have to hide, what you go do? Tell them friend no, I make them know say nothing go on. Especially your hungry belly Jack, what don't a seaside. You tell them say don't come here. Tell them say postpone, babe. Cause so right now 7th grade here coming to me this morning. 7th grade here because I want situation. Me I try call the boy then and me I tell him say yo check his sitting. What me go do? Me go fight. So we go do?
Him have to come out here today now.
Hmm?
Him have to come out here today. He not in there now. Because he not paying rent right and a thief your money.
You feel
Obviously.
thief money?
Obviously.
Me
The
not
bank say no money not coming in the bank. The bank they not gonna tell you no lie.
So what you think to do?
Then we say listen to me, he take him money, I could as well for your money in my party outside, Every night in Ghana party, Me dey ask her from the first night, if you trust him, and you say yes, And you put we in all of this, And you bring down shame pa we now,
Shame pan are you make everybody want come so this
Because me expect you to do the right thing.
what is the right thing?
The right thing, you should have put your own money in a bank yourself.
Yeah, but
Instead of give somebody it. You can't trust people nowadays with money.
But remember, I was trying to buy you a gift. And if me never do it in time, you see, it line long from downtown go back uptown.
Baby,
That's how long it line
understand.
be. So when him do it now, or maybe he not
Why
do
you
it
never
now.
carry on me money and the next day me go bank for your behavior?
Yeah, but you go there when you're in a motion. Man don't really have sense when money there around. You know what I mean? Or thoughts or you want pleasing woman. That's a problem. So we mean you can't listen to this. At the end of the day, I something I try to do for you, Why me do that, Because money in my hand, raw cash.
Me understand.
So you have to, so if you understand, then I stop saying understand and understand.
How are this? Who I call you?
Jungles. You Jungles. Wait, say if you say a thief in thief for money. I see him some one day I say. Wait, say after me left, him left. So you never join online. Alright, Jungles, big up yourself. Yeah, man, I make a link in my nose if I saw the case. Alright. When you kick him out? Tonight or tomorrow?
No. Right now, both tonight and tomorrow. No, we are kicking him out. Not another hour nor minute.
I'm gonna piss.
Keep up your pee-pee. Come. Keep up your... No, come. No. Come on, come. No.
Hey, me tired now.
Open this.
What you do here?
Open the door.
Come knock down my door like your landlord. What?
Come.
Hello, you pull me so far. Me in a business don't.
Where my man money then?
Who want the money? John will say you come out of the line when you go a bank.
So you lock my door for boss.
Them say when you go a bank and me walk off, you walk off too. So all the money.
No, I lie them a tell for me.
So all the money go.
I lie them a tell for me. Me say me go in at the bank and lodge the money. I lie them a tell.
You go in at the bank.
In at the
Well,
bank.
the bank say no lodge no money.
The bank say no money no lodge.
See, you know, so sometimes they
No,
you will lodge
no,
money and they
no.
not see it in there.
No, I don't think so. So what we go do is, me can't believe them that. I can't believe.
When God do is, you need to take out the things and come out of the house and get back your money.
Oh,
Or
me say
else
come
me
out of
and
my
you
rent
are
and do it.
court. Him not deal with nothing, you know. But me and you go deal with this.
Boss man, me and your friend want a woman. I don't want a fist or no.
Fist.
You can't do that to me, woman. When you talk to you reason, yo, me your friend, but you can't reason one of my woman.
So, no, she
No, but you
me.
can't reason half my woman, but you can't do that.
So why you don't want her and tell her to stop touching me?
Stop touching me, boy. Listen to me, I said, we want you to come out like this. Because
But
right now,
right now,
we broke. No, everything
You better
cut
not
off.
pay for your rent.
Everything cut off. Brother, I can't believe you do me that. You really do me that, bro?
So
After
you
the year,
believe what people say?
Me believe no, because the money not going in the account. Me believe that.
You
Imagine
need to
say,
be more aggressive than
aggressive
that,
home
man.
fear
Because
Hello, come out of with business.
I know that.
Me tired to
I know
tell you
that.
come out of
I
with
know that.
yo,
business.
it's alright, you know what to do. You gotta take your time, man. Take your
Why?
time.
Take
man.
your time, go on.
Me
Take
care
up my
about
things.
that.
No, no,
Wait,
no.
we are talking about
No,
take
we
your
send.
time.
No, we
Me
send it.
care
Come, take your
them
time, man. Take your time, man.
Leave. What I would do.
Let's say a word here.
Lock up your door.
Yo, me I tell you something, no say. Because I did no say I did my people them make on name page, you know. And now the people then turn around and diss me, you know. You touch me no want to get mad over there, that me I tell you, you know. Touch me no want to get mad over there, you know, you. Yes, the idiot give me money for true. And me spend it. Me never go in no line. Why you go give me money in my hand? Money make for spend. Them are two idiot. Me say they not no sense, so that's why I spend the money. Watch you know, in general, more you pay them to me too, you know. Because you see them the people there now, they always get money. You see me? So more you make them know say wrong man they play with, more you make them scared. More you intimidate them. I watch you know me I come check and make me all of this, because I even like your phone business in the youth.
You know, so I feel like I make a mistake though.
Maybe she mistake.
What do you mean? So how we get the rent now?
He never did a pay rent good from man.
So you have no more tenant to go in that place?
Me call around and see. You must can get somebody better.
A bad man still, you know, you having bad man links, you know. You don't really want to get another. That's why I say sometimes we kind of coward. But it is what it is. We have to stand up for justice at some point. But here now.
You come like you do that clone on people, you know.
Listen to me. And listen to me careful. We have to postpone Christmas. Because how else we gonna do it? Unless you go check your people and that's something we're not gonna do. So we enjoy Christmas January then. Next year. Alright? So go on your phone. Call the people them. Tell them something happen. Kind of,
You tell them say happen now.
tell them say your stove burn up and your fridge no something, make up something. But if you ain't talk to me before you do all this thing, you don't have to call them. You have a phone pay, you have credit, right? Start the calling.
Yeah, me good. Yeah, me understand, but me have something to tell you. Yeah. Me have to postpone Christmas at my yard. Yeah, this morning me I cook on the stove and the stove just blow up so. Yeah. So the money when me have, I have to buy back my stove right now, money. So money tell everybody, yeah. Me understand. Yeah. We can come over. Yeah, would I love to do that? Yeah, would I come over there come eat Christmas dinner? Alright, just tell everybody I met them know because I don't have much credit to call them. Yeah, mom, love you too. Bye. To subscribe is free.
All right then. Thank you. You've made it to the end. Yes. All right then. Thank you for the time that you spent. Yeah. I may say, all right then. Thank you. You've made it to the end. Yes. All right then. Thank you for the time that you spent. Yeah, man. So guess what? I'm make it to the end. When you watch the movie to the entirety, I have to appreciate everybody who do that. Hey, big up on yourself and thanks for the support. Do the thing, like it, share it. You know what I mean? Comment, let me know what go on. You know what I mean? Because we have some bully power work to put on. You know what I mean? So yeah, big up on yourself and thanks again for the support. I can't stop telling you thanks, guys. I appreciate it from the level, the area of my heart. All right. So see you on the next video. We shall gather.
And subscribe yet.